Two productivity giants, Evernote and Things 3. Which one really delivers? On the left, Evernote, powerful note-taking and organization for everyone. On the right, Things 3, beautiful task management, tailor-made for Apple users. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, here's our battle plan. We're going to compare these two on platform ecosystem, collaboration, integrations, organization and features, user interface, and pricing. Yep, the stuff that actually matters when you're picking your next app to organize your entire existence.
All right, first up, platform ecosystem.
Evernote? Oh man, it's everywhere. Web, Windows, Mac, iOS, Android. If you've got a screen, chances are you can use Evernote on it. And syncing across all those devices is honestly super smooth, which is great if you're bouncing between work and home or pretty much anywhere. Things 3 though, this one's a whole different vibe. You get these gorgeous native apps on Mac, iPhone, and iPad. And yeah, the polish is real, but here's the catch. If you're not using Apple stuff, well, too bad. No web version, no Windows, no Android. So for sheer everywhereness, Evernote takes this round. Switching gears to collaboration. Evernote honestly packs a ton in here. You can share notes, create shared notebooks, and even assign tasks. Great for your team, group projects, or, family chaos. There's real-time sync, but yeah, heads up, some of the slick features are hidden behind a paywall, which is, well, classic. Now, Things 3. This is all about you. Like, literally you. Your tasks, your productivity, your sanity. There's really no sharing built in. No way to rope your coworker or roommate in. So if you're all about teamwork and sharing, Evernote definitely wins. Now, integrations. Some people live for these, right? Evernote kind of goes all out. Plug it into tons of apps and platforms, plus you can automate with stuff like Zapier and IFTTT. Super nerdy, super useful. But yeah, a few integrations do ask for a paid plan. Things 3, on the other hand, is way simpler. It's got basic calendar syncing, so like Apple Calendar, reminders, but if you want hooks into your other favorite apps, sorry, not much here. So again, Evernote's got way more tricks up its sleeve. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Evernote was launched way back in 2008? Seriously. It's been in the game for ages before Things 3 even popped up. Makes you wonder how much they've seen change, right? On to organization and features. And honestly, this is where Evernote goes from note-taker to digital filing cabinet. You get notebooks, tags, crazy good search, even inside images. You can toss in files, voice notes, checklists, reminders, the works. The only downside? It can feel cluttered if you just want a simple to-do list. Now, Things 3. This one's like walking into a beautifully organized workspace. The today and upcoming views are super slick. You can quickly add tasks, subtasks, organize with tags, but deep note-taking or file storage, that's not what it's made for. For feature overload and flexible organizing, Evernote comes out on top. All right, time for some visual eye candy. Let's talk user interface. So, Evernote, it's got a ton packed in, no question, but I'll be real. The interface looks a little dated. And if you're new, you might find it kinda overwhelming. Things 3 though? Wow, this is legit, gorgeous, minimal, beautiful, super Apple-y. Everything flows, super easy to find stuff, and honestly, it's fun to use. The only little meh, you can't really customize outside Apple's playground. Still, for design and pure usability, Things 3 takes the win. All right, last one, pricing. Evernote gives you a free entry point, which is nice, and a bunch of paid tiers for personal or team use. But honestly, to unlock its real power, you gotta go premium. And it's all monthly or yearly subscriptions, which, adds up. Things 3 does things differently. Pay once, and you own it. No subscriptions. But, spoiler, you'll need to buy it separately for Mac and then for iPhone and iPad. So, not one size fits all, but no recurring charges. If you're tired of subscriptions, Things 3 is looking pretty sweet here. Okay, let's do a quick radar chart run-through of all our categories and scores. You'll see Evernote kinda dominates on ecosystem, collaboration, integrations, organization, and features. But Things 3 absolutely shines when it comes to design and that sweet, sweet pricing model. So here's my take. If you want something that's super powerful, works everywhere, and helps you team up or tackle big projects, go for Evernote. But if you're living in the Apple universe and want the prettiest, smoothest personal organizer, honestly, Things 3 is amazing. Pick whichever one fits your vibe, and you really can't lose.
Hey, if this helped you figure out which app to trust with your life, definitely hit that follow. More app battles coming.